Hi everybody, Samantha Shriver, Independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, coming to you today with a new card tutorial. Today we are going to make this Cactus Cuties card. We're also going to announce the winners from last week's card tutorial. We'll be giving away this card and then this card. So for this card, Anthony picked the winner. You can say hi, Anthony?
Hi.
Okay, so for this card, the winner is Rosalie. Congratulations. Okay, and then what's the next card? For that card, the winner is Michelle Q. Congratulations. We hope you guys love your cards, and thank you for watching our video.
Yep.
Have a great day. Today we'll be making this cute card using the Cactus Cuties stamp set. The colors for today's card will be Magenta Madness, Calypso Coral, Bumblebee, Granny Apple Green, and Old Olive. We'll be using the rectangle stitch dies. We'll be using the 4th largest rectangle. And then we'll be using the Abstract Beauty 4x6 Specialty Designer Series paper, which is new. Let's get started. I'm going to grab my card base. I'm going to grab my Abstract Beauty Designer Series paper. Since it's already cut at 4 inches, we will just have to cut it to 5 1/4. And now we're all set for the correct size for our card base. Then we'll go ahead and cut our Magenta Madness mat out. And this is going to be 4 1/4 by 3 inches. Do our 4 1/4 first, and then our 3 inches. Next, we'll stamp our sentiment. I'm just going to grab my foam mat and my stitched rectangle die along with my Magenta Madness ink. Grab my block and our sentiment, which is just a note. I'm going to line that up. And we have our sentiment set. Next, we'll go ahead and stamp our cactus. All right, just put that on our block, and then I'll get our Granny Apple Green and our Old Olive. And what we'll do for our cactus is we are going to stamp the image in Granny Apple Green. Then we're going to take our sponge dauber with the Old Olive, and we're just going to daub around our cactus, just around the ends, and then right in the middle there. And then we'll stamp this. And you see that beautiful two-toned effect that we get with the cactus. And next we are going to stamp our pot, which is going to be in Bumblebee and Calypso Coral. So let me grab these quick. And we'll do this on a blank piece of paper because I'm going to fussy cut it out. So we will use, oh, there we go. this pot. Make sure I've got that on the right way. We're going to stamp it first in the bumblebee. Then I'm going to take my Calypso Coral and I'm going to sponge dab just in the middle of the pot. And now we'll stamp that. And then we'll do our flower as well. So we're going to do our flower in our Magenta Madness. And I'm going to fussy cut our flower out as well. Let me just grab this. Okay, perfect. And I'll just cut these both out. And then our flower. All right, so we're all set with that. So next we can go ahead and adhere our card base together. Just gonna move this stuff out of the way quick. And we can glue our paper down. All right, so there's that. Then next we will take our Magenta Madness and our stamped image. And I'm going to adhere this onto the Magenta Madness. I just hit the end of my adhesive. All right, we will put these together. And then we will adhere this to our card base. And just put that down there. And we'll adhere our pot. And then our little flower we'll put on with a mini dimensional. So there's our pot. I've got our mini dimensionals. So we'll just grab one of these quick. And put our flower on. And then lastly, we will add our genial gems. So I'll put a larger green one up here. And then a larger of the peach one there. And then a smaller of the green one down here. And that's our card. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. If you don't mind liking this video and subscribing to my channel, if you leave me a comment below, you'll be entered in a giveaway to win this card. And I hope you have a wonderful rest of your weekend.